Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you the quick steps to set Chrome as your go-to browser on iPhone. To make Chrome the default browser on your iPad, first ensure Chrome is installed on your device, which is necessary for this setting, as it allows you to set it as your default, so let's check that it's properly installed. After installing, we'll head to Settings to open and manage our list of installed apps, getting us closer to making Chrome default. Now we'll find Safari in the list of apps. That's where we make the change. In Safari settings, locate the default browser app option and click on it to initiate the process of changing your default browser setting now. Now we'll go to this section and click directly on Google Chrome. Now, any link you open will directly launch in Chrome, which is exactly what we wanted to achieve by setting it as our default browser. Let's test this by opening a web page or a text, and you'll see it opens in Chrome, confirming the default browser setting has taken effect. This is a great way to ensure a seamless browsing experience, making it more convenient to access your favorite websites and online content directly from Chrome. Made Chrome your default browser? Check the description for a special offer. Like and subscribe.